Nanda.
Asma mama, asna nabibigay. Wala to pwede ka. Yo, okay. Maori kind of Facebook. So akin kay, yan the Lulu live. Kutongan. Tananawani kay. Ay gamimi. Pagawa. Sa, ang gami. Sinasama niya.
Kristin. Laira. Punana ka na.
Tara sila stop mo, but sila ba nang gabong?
Quadara,
Pick it up and we'll figure out what it is. Okay. What does it say?
Kiwano.
A kiwano. So we do a close up, right? Ay, so the ones that, sinanori gangangin na. At the kiwano. Nah. So you did the selection. So I'm going to date and go later. Not going to go later.
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah.
Yan daraw eh. Yo! Yo! The green!
Already?
Yeah. It's green. What does it smell like? It smells like aloe vera. Oh. Oh, wow. I don't know if I like that.
Come on, Dylan.
Yeah. Ooh. I like the texture though, it's slimy.
You would.
Yeah, I'm going to that slime now. Yeah?
Are you sure?
What I write? No, det är jag. I see the one on at the cucumber. Get that out. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah.
We should try making a drink out of this.
Ah, that'd be good in a drink. Like a lemonade with this in it.
And what do you think? What do you think?
Nej, ito na namin. Nene, daw ko na sige.
Yan yung kinalong mo ka na. What? Pero yung kiking niya ng mga ano.
Ayan. Titilas. Ayan. So, are mo. Tara, ano ba yun?
Kiwano.
The kiwano. Agangangin na. Sito po ganun. Tara. Anda Hispaniola eh. Na Hispaniola jacket food eh.
Hello.
Who got a bell? Guys, na choice number 2. I'm gonna date gonna choose. So like I'm trying to choose. So ano ba yan?
Cherimoya.
The cherimoya. Okay. So it's going bad a little bit. Yeah, I bought these like how many days ago? Like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And we just got around to.
Maybe it needed to be in the fridge.
Maybe. Kasi kapi na dananwani ka yay kay. Toroy. Oh. Kasi ito po me. You did it?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Oh yeah, man.
But it smells like it's going rotten. I don't know if this is safe. Maybe we'll just try a little bit.
So I got adding place.
Oh no, yeah. Okay. What did I eat these?
Ew.
Maybe we don't need the spoon. Yeah.
I'm going with it.
Oh wow, it's so sweet.
It's so sweet, but we should have done this earlier then.
Wow. Huh.
Huh?
What about a bit? Nani ito? Mo rito na babad man. Pagka erang gare.
Yung hanggang ya.
Hanggang. Tara sito. What flavor can we describe this as? What does this taste like? Tara sito.
Hindi ko nagpapayari yata.
Ayan. Yeah, na akin madraba yan. What? And this is what the seeds look like. Oops. Ugh, a little too sweet. I swear, like, the smell of this, that super emori sweet smell, that, I had a perfume like this in, like, junior high. Yeah, that's where they get it from. Okay, we've got 3 choices left. Okay, now I can choose. Let's choose the dragon fruit. Haha.
Yeah, we've already had pomegranate and kiwi. So.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Well, let's save those first. And we'll save the dragon fruit for last, since you guys haven't done that, right? Okay, we'll save this one for last. Stay tuned to Luni Live. Kasi you're gonna want the dragon fruit. Ito na, nakala na. Comment comments below. Okay. So I'm done. Kiwi or pomegranate.
Oh, so it really doesn't matter.
So go get more the kiwi. So this is a kiwi. Gonna emprere. Ada na goro goro ya.
Ibustin ba?
Well, second appeal na kung ano.
So sa basa na no.
Worry that the travel man.
Takabene, ito may iba takabene.
Kiwi all the way home.
Kiwi.
Kiwi all the way home.
Kiwi all the way home. So nagote ako ng the kiwi.
Yep, wait.
I'm Facebook. Why none on the kiwi?
Oh, I never none.
A kiwi all the way. Ako nori yada. It's like green and white, it's a little black. Seeds. It's really sad, right? Let's go for this one.
Yeah.
Like somebody I know once knew ate the skins. I don't know how they did it though. But why not?
Semua want to wear it.
Yeah.
Keep.
Kung gusto ng boss, ang dami ito pwede. Antay ka New Zealand. But yeah, ka New Zealand, I don't know the kiwi. So get the kiwi, eh? Get the kiwi
them there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, go on and the kiwi.
New Zealand?
Yeah. And the Kiribati is also like the kiwi.
Ah, no, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to go get that, the pomegranate. Away. Pomegranate. 네, they gonna go to Korea. They gonna go to Korea.
Hindi ko siya nagmura.
Ah, Christian gonna go.
Ay, Korea the dragon fruit.
Ah, 네, ganun get it.
Ay, nakuha na.
Wala, galing kami. Kam Korea, gisway din kami.
Wala siya siya.
Daw nag-okay.
Yeah, ako Korea.
Antirin.
Wala rin.
Nan daw ako. Right down the middle.
Whoa.
Get a good look. Whoa! Pomegranates. Oh, it's so red.
Isang.
Siguro.
Yung sway min Noria may mina. Ay, the pomegranate. Ako Noria pag ang kan Quran. O ay ana juice ang sweet. You know, in Greek mythology, there was a girl who was kidnapped by Hades, and she was taken to the underworld. And she could escape from the underworld if only she didn't eat or drink any of the water in the underworld. But one day she was tempted, and she failed, and she ate 3 small pomegranate seeds in all of her years down there, and that was her only sin. And because of that, she was forced to remain in the underworld. But her mother was so upset, she pleaded with Hades. So Hades agreed that he would only take her to the underworld during winter. So this is why we have winter. It's because the girl's mother was so sad she's gone, but the earth died for winter and got cold. And then when she came back in the spring to visit, the world grew alive again and became happy. But she got trapped in the underworld because of 3 pomegranate seeds. Alright. So we're going to the finale. So yay po kami kam thumbnail ng Game of Thrones. Oh, I ain't got the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Fruit dragon.
Wala. Wala.
Sino mataw ko na?
Wala na daw.
Ang gami, sa interview mo, kamsan nori the fruit ay may main.
So,
Ay tara, am yang yay, tara na kalan na no. Sino guess?
oh. Ha? Si Soan mo tara yun, meron ka. Meron ba yan?
In the rainforest. Tay ko rin mo sino guess, but antay po kami, right? Tara, ta kalan na no. Say.
Mayroon. Ang gusto ko na ba yan?
Ay may na yun.
Ay,
Brown.
ay, tsaka tagal. Mga tinta puno mo.
Ah, nay, ang guess that they the mo eggshell color.
Gawa saan ganda?
Eh, ang isang guess. Okay. Tara, ang guess.
Green.
Green. Nay, Facebook. So namatakot tara na nun the dragon fruit.
Right.
Temen na tawa, temen na Korea, bang kami tete. Yo, what?
Ay, close stick.
Go closely.
Hindi na kata.
Yo.
Diba?
Kami. So, ay, nanon the dragon fruit. Atara, it don't mean a taste. It don't mean a sweet kanara.
Ano?
What do you think that it'll taste like?
Ay, buntaw na.
Guess, which fruit do you think it'll be closest to? Yeah, no.
Ha?
Saan ka?
Isang na.
Lagang kamera na.
Yeah. Pero ang gana na flavor. Here's some, there. I can't speak Kiribati right now. If you guys are just tuning in, we're eating dragon fruit. So, se introduce Nita more.
No.
No.
I don't know.
Okay.
I
Okay.
want to introduce milk.
I walked the Lulu live. Nay, Lulu. Oi, mano, é Teariki. Oi, você go. É Kristiantaake.
The glasses.
As for me, not a blue day. So I got the glasses. No. So I
No,
got
sinakogya. Sinakogya.
Okay, so Kristen, maybe you can explain what this part is.
Tara.
So that's gonna go. So I go.
This is unboxing
Unboxing! Surprise unboxing video!
from Zenny Optical, 448 Ignacio Boulevard, Nevada, California. Yeah.
Ooh.
CA, eh?
California. Oh, wait, we have to hide my address. Yeah. Unboxing time!
Ito yan, tiraero. Lulu, kapara-para, tiraero.
Yeah, but tara na rogo. Yeah, Zenny Optical. Double ko po mo lens. Parang boroy. Ang name is Kristiantaake. So could I add a customized glasses on Zenny Optical? I'm
You only had one here.
I think I only have one.
I don't want the
Which one
train.
is
Oh, but wait, train. Choo choo. All right. What isn't it?
Which one is yours?
I don't know yet. So I that name that on Zenny Optical. We come with cool pieces. So which one's this one?
Do you remember what yours were like? Is yours?
I think those are mine.
These are yours?
I don't know. Let me take out my contacts and then I can try on glasses.
Because if this one's yours, then the other two are mine. Yeah, this is yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, pero mo na to.
Baka mo na ta.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, na yun. Gonna go to the
Yeah, because mine are like square frames. Yes, finally I can see.
I'll tell you how you look once I put my glasses on.
Oh, you took the contacts off?
Yup. Look at my glasses now. Oh yeah.
Yes, finally I can see.
And they voted them.
Huh?
So check out the oil trade real quick. Guy, मैंने कोविड ना था मैंने in Houston और ये बस दबा. Oil. Every day. So many times a day.
Tutong ba na to? Tuturan mo. Saan mo ka na? Utara-tara ng tara. Ha? Okay, magtanyan.
Nice guy, I'm close up. Oh wait. What color are your glasses?
Pink.
Are these the ones with the transition lenses?
I hope.
Okay.
I forgot. I forgot.
Want to try the other ones on?
I did. It's okay. Film him. He's ready.
Oh, I did the inspect that. They're gold.
Yeah. Gold or silver? I think we got silver.
American.
What's up, your prescription? A prescription.
Share a pic on social media with just got my Zennies.
My Zennies.
You just upped your frame game.
It's true. What do you think? I got new glasses. Ooh.
Ano yung ginagawa?
Wait a minute, though. What? Fancy.
Yeah.
I'm blind. Pretty blind.
Okay, orang dala-dala na ano yung kirot.
Yeah, and it's looking great. And it's so clean because they're new lenses, so they're so clear. Look how clean and unscratched they are. I'll show you my old glasses. Yeah. Oh, good
Bibig
Lord.
yan, scratch.
Gonna be glasses. So these are my old glasses, which I love and adore, and I will still sometimes order. So I always back my mind. I think you guys all know these glasses. They're my rose-colored glasses. And I got them because sometimes you need to wear rose-colored glasses to get through life. But I think I've gotten disillusioned enough and cynical enough to wear regular glasses. Yeah, but you can see how scuffed up my lenses are. Maybe.
Araw-raw, they tawa the lens.
There we go.
Hindi, ikaw kami na eh. Ikaw na kami na eh. Ikaw mo kami na kami na.
Yeah. Đâu xì anh mất sabo. Irang darab.
Sabo.
Sabo, take it right. You. Sabo and take it right. This has been Lulu Live. Mwah.